everybody. Welcome to Bass and Bonsai. That's how you do it. Mwah. That's exactly how we do it. Back to the old chatterbait. Oh, something big. Got it, big one. Freaking big one. Oh my God. It's a big one, boys and girls. It's pulling the boat. You guys see the boat moving? That is a monster bass. Oh, it came off. Do you guys see the wake it created? There it goes. Son of a bitch. That was a fucking pounder. Easy, mother. Ah. Sorry for the language. That was, I thought it was a carp. It was so freaking big. Ah. It's going to take a minute to recoup from that one. It's shaking. I hope you guys got all that wake, like that was a pull. The boat just started pulling the boat. Oh my God. Whew. I felt it and I was like, that is a big, I seen like a movement. I was like, that is a big, and I had it. Now, it's a chance it was a carp and I had accidentally hooked it, because it was, I mean, that's the only time I felt pulls like that, or like when I accidentally hooked carp. It was big, 10 pounds and bigger. Well, at least I got it on tape. I mean, you guys can tell that wasn't my imagination. I was hooked onto something huge. I've done that also before and not seen it, but it come in with like a carp scale stuck on, you know, the hook kind of thing. But I can only assume that that was just a huge bass. That's what I'm calling it. Big largemouth bass. Let's see if it'll jump. That is a beauty. It's gonna jump. Come on, get your jumping legs on. See a big jump. Come on. Do it. Yes! Woo! We're on fire here at Bass and Bonsai. Not literally, figuratively. Whatever it is. That's what we are. Let's go! We got 2 baits working. Let's catch a big one. I'm getting excited. I need to drink a Diet Coke. Woo! Mmm. Delicious. The taste of success. It's delicious. But really, let's get some bass. Whew. That's got my blood pressure like, woo! Little black-eyed devil. Get it! Yeah! It got it.